Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best Acrylic Nail Kit is probably one of the most essential tools for any aspiring nail technician or DIY enthusiast looking to achieve salon-quality acrylic nails at home, offering a comprehensive solution that includes everything needed to sculpt, shape, and finish beautiful acrylic enhancements with precision and ease, making it an indispensable addition to your beauty arsenal for creating stunning nail art and durable extensions that will impress. Number 5. MelodySusie PC120i Nail Drill. Discover the MelodySusie PC120i, your ultimate solution for professional nail care at home. This portable electric nail file offers powerful performance with its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor. Its compact design makes it incredibly easy to handle and store. Take your nail care routine anywhere with this convenient USB-powered device. Perfect for all your nail needs, from polishing and shaping to gentle gel removal. Achieve salon-quality results effortlessly. Designed with beginners in mind, it provides a user-friendly experience. You'll master your manicure skills in no time. Enjoy the convenience of at-home manicures without compromising on quality. This tool simplifies every step of your nail care routine. Experience the power of its 20,000 revolutions per minute motor for efficient and smooth nail shaping and polishing. It handles all types of nail care with ease. What we like? This electric nail file offers ultimate portability with its USB design. It's perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or travel. If you're a beginner looking for a simple and convenient tool for basic nail care, this is a great choice. What people say. The drill itself is lightweight, comfortable to hold, and small enough to control easily during use. It fits naturally in the hand and doesn't feel bulky. The kit includes a good selection of accessories. It comes with 6 nail bits, 6 sanding bands, plus an additional bag of extra sanding bands, which should last a while before needing replacements. A game changer and paradigm shifter, especially for those with skin issues like eczema and psoriasis or thickened nails, etc., where cuticle care is not as straightforward as for normals. Number 4. SAVILAND Professional Acrylic Nail Kit. Discover the joy of creating beautiful acrylic nails at home. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to get started. From vibrant acrylic powders to essential tools and primers, this set has it all. Achieve professional-looking results with ease. Designed for beginners, this kit makes mastering acrylic nails simple and fun. You'll be amazed at the stunning manicures you can create. Explore a spectrum of 6 beautiful acrylic colors to express your unique style. Let your creativity flow and design your dream nails. Looking for a special gift? This acrylic nail kit is perfect for anyone who loves DIY manicures or wants to try something new this holiday season. With our all-inclusive set, you can achieve salon-quality manicures right from the comfort of your home. Get ready for compliments. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to start with acrylic nails, including a drill. It's designed for beginners and comes with multiple colors. If you're looking to dive into acrylics for the first time and want a convenient all-in-one solution, this set is ideal. What people say. It comes with absolutely everything you need to do your nails at home, including the drill, acrylic powders, brushes, gel polish, decorations, and more. The quality is great for the price, and the drill works very well and is easy to control. All the colors are pretty and the acrylic liquid sets nicely. This kit is perfect for beginners and makes doing my nails so much easier. It came with everything I need to do nails. I love it. The quality is amazing. Come with foundation, coat, red, black, white color, also acrylic powder, nail nutrition oil, extensions and diamond. Comparing to others I thought this one has good cost benefits, can use for a while now. Number 3. Mia's Secret Professional Acrylic Nail Kit. Unlock your creativity with this all-in-one acrylic nail kit. It includes everything you need to get started, perfect for beginners. From essential tools to high-quality acrylics, this set has it all. Achieve professional-looking nails right at home. Designed with beginners in mind, this kit makes learning acrylic nails simple and enjoyable. Get salon-quality results with ease. Experience the professional difference with Mia's Secret. Our products are crafted for durability and a flawless finish. Choose Mia's Secret for all your nail needs. This comprehensive kit is your first step to beautiful, long-lasting acrylic nails. What we like? This kit is designed to be a complete solution for beginners wanting to work with acrylic nails. It aims to provide all the necessary components in one package. If you prefer a straightforward, comprehensive set that covers all the basics for acrylic application, this option is worth considering. What people say. The acrylic powder is very fine and easy to apply. The monomer liquid has a low odor and dries quickly. The kit includes all the necessary tools for a professional manicure at home. Number 2. SAVILAND 50,000 revolutions per minute Pro Nail Drill. Experience the next level of nail care with our high-tech electric nail drill. Its powerful 50,000 revolutions per minute motor ensures fast and efficient removal of acrylics and other enhancements. Tired of slow and tedious nail filing? This professional drill kit is designed for rapid removal, saving you time and effort. Featuring a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, this machine offers cordless convenience. Take your salon-quality manicures and pedicures anywhere you go. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for professional nail services. Achieve flawless results with the included drill bits, files, and buffers. Elevate your nail game with this professional-grade tool. Perfect for both salon professionals and at-home enthusiasts seeking salon-quality results. From intricate nail art to smooth cuticle care, this versatile tool is essential for both manicures and pedicures. It's your all-in-one solution for beautiful nails. What we like. Experience powerful and efficient nail work with this high-speed, rechargeable nail drill. Its 50,000 revolutions per minute is suitable for professional salon use. If you're a professional or an advanced user seeking fast and effective acrylic removal and shaping, this machine offers superior performance. What people say. It works very quietly and almost without noise. During work, the drill bits barely heat up, so it does not cause any discomfort to the client. It operates fast and smoothly in both directions, forward and reverse. It's cordless, and that's a great benefit. It's not too big or bulky. It comes with multiple tips, which is nice for different jobs. The battery life is amazing. I think I've only charged it once or twice since I've got it. Number 1. JODSONE Gel Nail Polish Kit. Discover a world of vibrant color with this comprehensive gel nail polish kit. It includes everything you need to create stunning manicures at home. Explore an expansive palette of 32 beautiful gel polish colors. From subtle nudes to bold brights, find the perfect shade for any occasion. Achieve salon-quality results with ease. The included UV light ensures a perfect cure for a long-lasting, chip-resistant finish. This kit isn't just about color, it also features functional adhesive bottles for added versatility. It's your complete solution for beautiful nails. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This complete nail kit is an ideal present for any woman who loves to express herself through her style. Enjoy beautiful nails without the hassle of difficult removal. This formula is designed for easy soaking, making polish changes a breeze. What we like. Get a salon-quality gel manicure at home with this extensive kit featuring 32 colors and a UV LED lamp. It provides a wide variety of shades for endless creative possibilities. If you love experimenting with different gel polish colors and want a complete setup for at-home gel manicures, this is the perfect gift for yourself or others. What people say. The gel polishes are very pigmented and easy to apply. I love how smooth they go on, and they don't feel too thick or messy. The colors are beautiful and actually look just like the pictures. The lamp works really well and cures the polish quickly. My nails last over a week without chipping, which honestly surprised me. It comes with 32 different gorgeous colors, ranging from everyday nudes to fun glitters and bright shades. The included UV light is surprisingly powerful and cures the polish very quickly without feeling too hot on her hands. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.